Hi my dear friends, welcome to Finvest Talk. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting and important topic, especially for those who are in insurance sales. Yes my dear friends, so don't leave this. We are going to see the scenarios how we can use the artificial intelligence, how we can use ChatGPT, how we can use other copywriting materials, copywriting artificial intelligence. It is an important session, very short, in 15 minutes, about 15 minutes we will complete this video, and stay with us till end. It's a very interesting. It can change the way you are communicating with your customers, how you are pitching the product, how you are analyzing the product, how you are sending the customer a convincing message, writing a letter or email. Everything you can change with these tools. So please watch this video until very end. Please subscribe, share and comment. Yes my dear friends, welcome to how to use AI for insurance sale. This is a very interesting topic. We have been seeing ChatGPT, artificial intelligence all around media. Every day there is a news coming out in media how to use ChatGPT. People are using for coding, people are using for HR, people are using for a lot many other purposes. I just explored, being in insurance sales, how you can use for insurance sales. Before that, what is happening around about the artificial intelligence, we'll just see. So it is in the news. ChatGPT helps design company recover around $109,500 from client who refused to pay. ChatGPT as a lawyer helps design agency recover. ChatGPT helps design agency recover so and so amount. And then we are also seeing news ChatGPT has cleared a certain professional examination, and Microsoft integrates ChatGPT with robots. How this can herald a paradigm shift. Top 5 data scientist best practices generated by ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is in the news. We can't ignore that. So even when the Google came around 20 or 22 years back, so there was not this much hype or hoopla in India, but people were going into the internet by the time. But this ChatGPT artificial intelligence has created a lot of hype, and then people are using it. If you know how to use it, definitely you can leverage. The keyword is how you can leverage the technology. So technology is everywhere, but how we are using it to our benefit, that is very important my dear friends. So you should not be left behind than anyone else. The main idea of this video is to make you aware what ChatGPT is, how you are going to use this, how and all you can utilize it in an ethical manner, right? The keyword is ethically, how we can use it not to cheat somebody, not to give misinformation. So we have to use it to our advantage, business advantage. At the same time, we have to give the legal and ethical and truthful meaning to our customers and then the end users. So with this, we will go into it. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is basically refers to the development of computer systems and machine learning, machine that can perform tasks typically require human intelligence. So it is not a replacement of human intelligence, it is just a complementary. It learns like a human being. You are making the computer to learn like a human being, and then we are integrating few system, and the data collection and data processing happens so fast, it gives a customized result to the user, like visual perception, speech recognition, decision making and language translation. My dear friend, don't go away. It might be boring in the beginning, but definitely it will help you how we can use it in the future. We will just see in the coming slides. So artificial intelligence is basically a computing thing and then making to work like human being. We will be teaching that artificial intelligence how you should work, and then it will collect the data, process and interact with us. So that's it my dear friends, to put it in a very short, whatever the knowledge I have got. So this is how the artificial. Now the open AI, that is ChatGPT, is developed. What is ChatGPT? Is nothing but ChatGPT is an AI-powered human interactive language model. So human it interacts in a conversational model developed by OpenAI. Its investors are very notable persons like Microsoft, Elon Musk of Tesla, Y Combinator, LinkedIn co-founder. So these people have invested in it and then created it. Lot of money they have poured in, millions of dollars, and then created it. It's a very intelligent system. Every day it is evolving, and there is a premium model called chat GPT 4 has come. So what is GPT? GPT means what? It is not government polytechnic as we say in Coimbatore. It is a generative pre-trained transformer, right? It uses conversational model, uses GPT algorithms to generate responses like human, like conversation, okay, like human conversation, that's how written. So it conversation it makes, but it uses algorithm, and then goes and does data search, and then it trains itself, and then it also learns. So from us also it learns. So from the responses, if you are saying then this response is not correct, it learns. So what next can be done? Is it okay? Is it okay? It learns. So it is a very good neural system they have created in the backbone, and we can use it to our advantage. Then what is the chat GPT? AI generated conversational model. It is a pre-trained with ML ability. Pre-trained means what? So whatever you have put in, training you have given, so only the outcome will come. It is not that, so without training it will not come. So it automatically learns also from our responses, and then it gives a reply. And it does lot of computing behind. It's a kind of a supercomputer, it does it. And then ML ability, machine learning ability also there. It can interpret codes and algorithms. Codes means what? See, it not only interpret codes, it can also create codes. So I have used it for creating codes, and I'm not a good coder, I'm not a developer, but I know little bit of coding. What is the basics of coding? So I did it somewhere around 15 or 18 years back. So basic RDBMS and SQL, but I forgot. But the basics, if I know, I can interpret, ask for the code, and then see that what it can be done. We can put in, and we can create our own program. So it is very useful for people like me who knows only 10 or 5% of coding, still go there and then create a code. It's a boon for me. In fact, I can create, I can learn lot of things. Because in the 18 long gap, so I couldn't learn. Here the chat GPT gives an opportunity to provide code. It is also customized code. And chat GPT with other AI models, it is a very good one. Like let's see. Then chat GPT also is linked to search engines like Microsoft Bing. So Microsoft Bing is a very good, see, Bing is like a Google search engine. So they have connected with the chat GPT. It gives a customized one. We are going to see how it works. Okay. Then chat GPT knowledge based on extensive data constantly being updated and trained by OpenAI. As I said that it is trained by OpenAI. How can you use ChatGPT for insurance sales? We have come to a very important session, my dear friends. Don't leave. I'm going to take a little bit of time to explain this, and his links are already there, chat.openai.com. Friends, this is ChatGPT. So you have to log in with your Gmail, and you will be directed to here. So what all the things it can do? Explain quantum computing, got any creative ideas for 10-year-old birthday? How do I make HTTP? These are all the capabilities it has given. And then limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. After 2021, it doesn't have much of knowledge. So whatever the knowledge predominantly it has got prior to 2021 only. After 2021, it doesn't have. Okay. I'm just telling for insurance friend, explain Jeevan Anand or Jeevan Tarun plan to a 10-year-old child. I'm just giving a hypothetical question. So how do you explain to a very simple manner? So it says that it is writing Jeevan Tarun is a special plan, savings plan offered by Life Insurance Corporation of India for children. It is designed to help parents save money for the children's future, such as education, marriage, and other important events. How it works? So it is giving the entire thing. Parents or legal guardian can open a Tarun plan or for a child ages 90 days to 12 years old. The plan requires the parent. So it is giving a very easy manner how the plan works. So suppose if you want to write to a parent, write a letter to a parent of 10-year-old how important to secure your child future by taking Jivan Lakshay plan. So I just asked, write a letter to a parent of 10-year-old how important to secure your child future by taking Jivan Lakshay plan. So I'm just feeding it. I'm feeding a question. Then immediately, dear parent name, I hope the letter finds you in good spirit, your family in good health and high spirits. A financial expert, I wanted to reach out to you, discuss importance of securing your child future through suitable financial plan. As a parent, I am sure what is best for child, blah blah blah. It is writing everything, right? So it is a very good tool for you to introduce somebody. If you got mail IDs of so many children, you just can come here and write email and send it to all parents. So definitely you might get. And then I'm asking a write a poem for a customer who is turning 50 this March, and ask him humbly to take pension plan. His name is say ABCD. So I'm just asking a poem. In a poem, I'm just writing, on happy birthday of dear ABCD, another year has flown up so fast. You are turning 50, but don't you see it is time to secure your future last? We know it may sound crazy and scary and daunting. So it is writing in a poem, you can canvas the policy. It is very easy, my dear friends. So these are all the things you can do in chat GPT. See, he is writing a very long one. Can you make it short in 8 verses? So can you make it short in 8 verses, only 8 lines? Yes, it will give in 8 lines. You're running to it. It is time to plan what is to be. Let's help you to live carefree with savings for lifetime. So it is CB, Jubilee, all those things, English, everything it is taken care of. So everything it is writing as a poem. At the same time, it is also writing it is also canvassing. So this chat GPT, if you write somebody on this any birthday, so it will help. No need of learning English is required. No need of grammar is required. It's writing everything. And one more example I will give you, my dear friends. Compare even this I have done and send it to my friends Umang with HDFC Sanchay Plus, HDFC Sanchay Plus in 2 columns. See, this fellow started writing immediately. So Jeevan Umang and HDFC Sanchay Plus, it is giving in 2 columns, which you can just copy paste and send it to customers. So to make things in short, this chat GPT works like wonders, my dear friends. You can use it, because I thought that this information should not be confined to somebody. It should go to all the people in insurance industry. It is not like that I should only learn, I should only keep use of my friends and then who's ever doing under my team. So if everyone uses, definitely our efficiency will be more, everyone will get benefited. It is only the idea. So how you are going to generate this and then give it to the customer, that is most important. And be truthful and don't load it with anything falsification, because if you can also train this one into false information also. Here you can see there is an thumbs up is there, you can give provide additional feedback. If you don't like, you can also give it thumbs down also. it will also it is harmful, this is not true, this is not helpful. You can give both the feedbacks, both positive and negative. So this chat gpt is an excellent tool. We have to use this judiciously. The key word is judiciously. We have to use it and then give it to customer or beneficiary with the genuineness. So if you are not genuine, and then this system will also get corrupted in a way or two. We cannot give the false information. Of course there will be checks and balances in the backend team, they will be doing it, but as a genuine user you should be able to give a very good information. This is the one thing. Second one is Bing search. What is Bing search? See, we have seen Google search. Google search is, what is that? If you ask something, it is also giving. But the Google search along with the artificial intelligence, the same thing is goes to Bing. Bing is developed by Microsoft. So we are not using much in India. Less people are using, but some people are using it extensively. So Bing is a very good platform for search. We will go and see that how it works. Yes. So this is a Bing search. It gives a chat. You have to use this chat, and here you can ask me anything. It says that down below, ask me anything. Here you can ask any question. You can ask how many mechanics don't have insurance in Pilamedu. We'll just ask. So it uses the local search engine also. It is also using chat GPT, and then we have to ask the question, then it will reply. Mechanics without insurance in Pilamedu. Sorry, I could not. It is too much, isn't it? So how many mechanics are there? Where to find um, where to find mechanics in Coimbatore? At least we can ask this. See, there are so many auto mechanics available. You can find them on websites. Go Mechanic, which have a list of auto mechanics. You can also find. It is basically teaching us what to do. But if I say in Google, the same question ask where to find mechanics in Coimbatore. So Coimbatore is just giving which are all the places are there. Here in Bing, it is also saying that where to you can find them in Star Service, Go Mechanic kind of thing. Then it is giving lot of links. So how to reach there? It is like a human-like conversation. How to change spark plug? Suppose you are asking this question. It will also search, it will also use. So see, it is saying that how to change the spark plug. Here are some general steps to change the spark plug. It is giving. So shall we use it for insurance? How to revive my lapsed policy in life insurance corporation. India. How to revive my lapsed policy in Life Insurance Corporation of India. It says that revive policy in life insurance, you can follow these steps. Browse official website, download the policy revival form, and fill in the form, pay all the outstanding premium, then where to see. This is also saying that where to. So it combinedly giving a search engine and then how to also. So this is a wonderful, wonderful tool. You can use it. You can use it. My dear friends, go and use this and enjoy this. and then how it optimized my agency recruitment. So my website, I also got agency recruitment website. How it, this is my website, my dear friends. So join startupfin.in. Next step, and then knowledge center. Let us go to knowledge center. In this knowledge center, learning is earning. I have put all the LIC forms. This is the startupfin.in/knowledge. You can come directly here. Here I have made one. Click to know why Jeevan Umang is best. So Jeevan Umang is best. I have created this with a little help of coding from ChatGPT. See this policy comparison, LIC's Jeevan Umang, HDFC Sanchay Plus, SBI Smart Platina. These three plans I have compared, and then why Jeevan Umang is best. So why Jeevan Umang is best? So I have taken the best the results from there and then embedded code and then reflected it here. It is not typed one, my dear friends. It is not subjective. It is full and full created by ChatGPT. So policy type, traditional, participating, whole life policy. I have just given the criteria. What are all the criteria it should be, it is better. So it is policy type, policy term. These are all the criteria I have given. These results were thrown by the ChatGPT. So I have just entered what is the policy type, policy term, premium paying term, death benefit, maturity benefit, surrender value, loan facility, bonus, life cover, flexibility, policy rating, conclusion. So this is what the queries I have asked, and then it has thrown up these many answers and then converted into code. So to make this, you should know a little bit of coding, HTML coding. Even if you are not fully knowing that, you should know basics of coding, how to put it, how to do it in the website development also you should know. So for being spent some years in coding and networking and website development, I just made this. It was very easy for me, otherwise it should have taken at least a day's work, but I have done it. You won't believe it, I have done it in half an hour time. So in half an hour to 45 minutes time, it was up and ready running, and then it took some more half an hour more for me to compile it, whether it is working or not. So this is the why Jeevan Umang is best. So these verdicts are given by ChatGPT. I checked it with the brochures of LIC of India and then HDFC Sanchay Plus and Smart Platina. So it, in fact, it is 90%, it is correct. There are 10% error here and there might be there. There is a disclaimer. See, lifetime coverage and guaranteed, lifetime coverage policy term, then flexibility to choose premium payment, guaranteed payout, bonuses for the better protection. It's just that, see that bonus, somewhere here bonus. It says that bonus participating eligible for reversible bonus and terminal bonus. Here non-participating policy no bonus, non-participating policy no bonus. So potential for high returns through bonuses. It gives life cover, flexibility, policy ratings also it has given. Then final conclusion, it says that LIC's Jeevan Umang offers the best combination of guaranteed returns and life protection. So friends, this is the usage of ChatGPT. You can create, you can utilize to your advantage without telling a lie. So there can be a misinterpretation or a little bit here and there mistakes may be there. Those mistakes you can cure it and put it into use, but you can use it to your advantage by taking the right, by asking right questions from the ChatGPT. You can make this, my dear friends. So it is a wonderful tool for me. And then I made one more one. Suppose people are asking Umang, what are the other plans? So it is simple one. I asked what is Jeevan Lakshay. It in 3 lines it will give. Then endowment plan, Jeevan Tarun. It is being done by ChatGPT. Now I have not entered even a word here. I just coding only. Coding I have checked with ChatGPT. Then came back here. Here you can do it. So the coding also you can just store it in one more extension of ChatGPT, that is called GitHub. So when you are a developer, that will be very useful for you. It is a community, you can store there and then work like a team. Here in Jeevan Lab, everything is given here. So it is a wonderful tool, my dear friends. So again, you can visit my website called startupfin.in. Here you got everything here. One more information I will give you. LIC so premium, then subscribe. You can also subscribe my website also. Then what is the next step of joining as an AS insurance advisor? Knowledge center, you have got everything. Know the retirement calculator, then click to know the insurance gap. So insurance gap, it is very easy. So insurance gap, it gives, and it throws up a Excel sheet. Here you can use it, very simple. And here also, if you go to insurance gap, I have created the directly, it will go to the Excel sheet and then you can work it. And one more thing you can do, latest income tax calculator. And then since you have come here, I'm just telling what all the facilities are. Asset allocation spreadsheet, that is also there. Use asset allocation spreadsheet. Here I have created one asset allocation spreadsheet, how you should use the asset allocation. Then know your insurance gap. It will give you a pie chart. It will see, for instance, your annual income is 15 lakhs. Okay. Then EMI somewhere around 2.4 lakhs. 2.4 lakhs. How much insurance you should have? So insurance policy is already, you have got sum assured how much. Suppose you have got 10 lakhs, means 10 lakhs. So how much insurance required? Is around 1.45 crore is required. So this is the your insurance gap calculator, that is also you can use, and it's giving a pie chart here. And in the knowledge center, if you come, all my LIC forms are there, videos are there, videos for the customer, then videos for the agent. Anybody, it is open to everybody. You can come and watch. Why induction training for new agents, prospecting, segmenting, insurance agency as startup, employer-employee scheme. Employer-employee scheme is wonderful. I got a very good feedback from so many people. Then tax planning simplified. Ananda eKYC, how you should do Ananda eKYC process, video demo is there. How to calculate premium is there. How to use added features of premium calculator. So how to do the plan mixing. If you come here, my weekly meetings are there. Non-medical, this is a specific one, how to do the non-medical policies, Aadhaar modification discussion, and then NRA business, how you should do, how to sell big ticket plan, overcoming failures, and then digital marketing, then 10 ways to improve your sales. So these are all the my weekly meetings. You have to seek permission from me, then I'll give permission, you can watch it. It is also free of cost, my dear friends. You ask your near and dear to join my team so that they will get benefited here. And policy comparison, these are all the PDFs are there. It is free, you can open it and see. Income tax chart is there. As I said, policy comparison is there. So these and all you can use it, my dear friends. And let us go back to the presentation, how you can use ChatGPT. Let us go pros and cons of it. Pros are pros means what are all the positives. Conversation language, it is like a one-to-one talking. And then pros, no coding is required. Even without coding you can get all those information. Then immediacy. So immediacy means there was immediately, whenever you think of that, day, night, morning, early morning, you can just log in and just like Google, you can use it. Then time saving, it saves a lot of time, my dear friends. Even a small doubt, if you got something, income tax sections or how to write a letter, you need not wait for anybody, you can just do it of your own. And then less cost means what? There is no cost, only internet cost you should use. You can use it even through mobile phone also. And then personalized, it is an individual conversation, one-to-one it is you are doing. Then cons are limited knowledge. Knowledge means whatever you have already knowledge is there in the data centers, whatever the knowledge is being fed. So only those knowledge are there. And then bias. So you can also bit load this question. So how it is better? Then it will say how it is better. Okay. So how you can do it only by sending email, how you can sell the policies. So it is bias means in Tamil, Ordalai Pachama, Ek Paksha. ஸோ ஏக் பட்சம் இருக்கு, ஒருதலை பட்சமாக இருக்கும், அதை நம்ம ஃபீட் பண்ணால் then it will work. So it is a kind of thing. So you can feed the bias into it and then they get the result. And then cons, inaccurate, depends on domain. So which domain you are using it. Some domains are very easy. Supposing the Google translation is very good into Tamil or Hindi, whereas here it is learning. So Tamil translation is not that much good. And I will also come to, I forgot to include one, how you can use this letter and then convert into Google text to speech, and then how you can record this and then send it to customer. So in a beautiful, everyone voice is not good, no, even my voice is not good. You can go to ChatGPT, create a letter or poem, write a poem to your customer or a loved one, and then come to Google text to speech. From text to speech, you can create a audio message. From the audio message, you can send it, download it, and send it. Of course, Google wants there is a free trial. Thereafter, you have to pay for it. That's why I'm not going there. And then cons, large amount of data. It is handling large amount of data. So in that case, specificity is somewhere it will miss. It will be a generic output it will be giving, but specifically if you ask difference between 80cc and 80ccd and 80c and what is the current context of 115 income tax act, it will get confused. It will take time because large amount of data, no? So you have to train them. How many people are giving data, how many people are already in the domain. It will collect the data and give it to you. So it will take some time. And then concept, generic knowledge but specific you can't rely. It has got, as I said earlier, it is a generic knowledge, not a specific one. So these are all the pros and cons. And then, will ChatGPT replace the sales advisor? So many people ask, will it change the coders? It may change. Will it change somebody else? It may change. But it is a big no. So ChatGPT cannot replace any salesperson. So salesperson, why? Lack of emotional intelligence. We know when we are talking to customer, we can understand his emotion, we can understand his situation. Those things cannot be handled by ChatGPT. No adaptability. So adaptability means changing situation, changing his requirement. At that time, what the question and answer to be given, ChatGPT cannot do. And then only human can decide. ChatGPT is only an aid. It will assist the human being to take decision, but it is not give. It will never give you the decision. ChatGPT cannot build a human relationship, but it will help us to improve. So ChatGPT itself cannot build an kind of a human relationship. Human to human relationship is going to be the cornerstone of any sales, and at the same time it will improve us. It will help us if you keep on using it. How to use it, if you know, definitely. Legality. So it is not a legal person per se. ChatGPT cannot be sued for wrong advice, right? So it is not a legal person. So whereas the human beings are, we are legal person, we can be held responsible. In that manner, sales advisor, nobody can replace a sales advisor or a team supervisor on any sales manager. So that's it, my dear friends. Even CEO of OpenAI, he has tweeted in 2020, ChatGPT is only a hype, way too much. It is impressive, thanks to the compliment, but it is still has serious weaknesses, sometimes makes us very silly mistakes. AI is going to change the world, but ChatGPT is just a very early glimpse. We have a lot still to figure out. And having said that, I will come with what else we can use. So very good tools are there, my dear friends. Even before ChatGPT, I have been using these tools. I'll this writer.me, RYTER.me. It is a very good tool. Suppose if you are writing something business idea or business idea pitch. So how Jivan Umang is best fit for guaranteed. We should not ask how. We should say it is how Umang is best bet for guaranteed free income. It will just write 250 character we should say, and then it will start write for me. It will blah blah tuck tuck tuck, immediately it will write a simple. See, are you looking to invest a secure tax-free income? Jeevan Umang, the solution for you. Our products offer guaranteed returns backed by high-end insurance company, high-rated insurance company. With Jeevan Umang, you can enjoy peace of mind that your money is safe and secure, plus your benefit of tax saving up to 1.5 lakh premium. Invest in Jeevan Umang now and give your finances a boost. I have just put a 10 words. It has written a some very good message for me. So use this writer also to pitch your product. So this is much better one. You can use it. Lot of ideas are there. How to write section, how to write brand name, business ideas, call to action, copywriting, cover letter. If you keep on using this one, definitely it will going to help you, my dear friends. So similarly, you also have got another tool called Copy AI. Copy AI. So what is copy? Where it has gone? So Copy AI, Copy.ai is a very good tool, my dear friends. Here you can use. Hi, hi Prashant. I would like to remind you that your insurance policy is lapse has lapsed. It's very important. So you give some time, then it will ask, just put tab, it will start reading. It is very important, blah 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 blah, everything. See, add to. It is important to get it renewed before lapse date. Please be informed that. Then again, we can just put tab again. It will keep on writing. So, my dear friends, these are all the tools you can use it for your advantage. And then for the correctness of it, it is for you. The responsibility lies with you to see that how you are using it. We strongly see it has given only 2-3 lines I have written. It has given a full paragraph. Similarly, you have to use it with your conscience and then go through it, understand it, then use it responsibly. Use these AIs responsibly, then definitely your business will improve. Not only for my agent, it is for everybody. I am telling, my dear friends, these are all the tools are available. It is only up to you how you are going to leverage it and how you are going to become successful insurance sales advisor. So that's it, my dear friends. It is a wonderful 15 minutes or 20 minutes with you. I do not know how much time it has gone. So thank you very much for having this knowledge. Subscribe, please. That is the least currency you can do, is that subscribe my channel. So you will get such very good information to you. Information will be given to you. Please subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you. Bye bye.